Hello, listeners! You are listening to the second episode of K-Pod, #Kera Podcast. This is your host, Supraja speaking. And today, I'm going to introduce such a personality who doesn't fail to inspire you by the end of the podcast. What are we waiting for? Let's begin. Many of us fail to reach our goals, targets, and will not be able to fulfill the purpose of our life. Few of us somehow make it possible with great effort and struggle. But there are also few people who do something beyond their purpose in their life. Introducing one of such persons who is a woman full of kindness, who always strives for the welfare of the society, a package of energy, a heart with humanity, a citizen with responsibility. She is the queenly Bandlamudi Roja Rani Garu, a politician, a professor, a software engineer, an entrepreneur, a service enthusiast, and above all, a woman with a golden heart. Ma'am Roja Rani belongs to Dharani Kota of Guntur district from Andhra Pradesh. She was born to Mr. B. Venkateshwar Rao and Padmavati on 17th August 1978. She resembles her father, not in physical appearance but her deeds. She used to participate in service-oriented programs since her childhood. She acquired such great qualities from her father. She projected leadership qualities since her childhood days. And this leadership quality at her initial age made her dream about a society with like-minded people to strive for serving the needy. And that made her what she is now. She completed her schooling and intermediate in Guntur. Thereafter, she pursued her degree BSc in JKC College, completed her MSc with distinction. Being a student, she earned a lot of knowledge and qualities of good citizen. She entered her professional life as an assistant professor from 2002 to 2003 in TJP's college. She also worked as a software engineer in many IT companies for 7 years. However, the spark in her to do something good for the people around made her become an entrepreneur, more specifically a woman entrepreneur. She wanted to give employment chances to everyone, and with such a determination she established a company, Hair and Skin Trico Dermatology. With her efforts and enthusiasm, she established 4 more branches within no time and employed many others. With the same force of zeal, she also started Rukmini Shopping Mall in Guntur. This made her stand unique in the crowd. This entrepreneurship brought her many appreciations and awards. Thereafter, she entered into politics with the motive to serve and upgrade her native place. She is now a YSRCP corporate member for the 37th Division in Guntur. Her works were recognized both nationally and internationally by the dignitaries in IT sector. Getting international recognition is not that easy. It requires a perfect plan, proper execution, and unleashing success. And along with this, vigorous hard work. Roja Rani also received the Best Children's Support Award from UNICEF. This tells how she works for the country. She also received many awards for her excellence in entrepreneurship. She received Best and Unique Woman Award from Dharitri Sahitya Kala Vikas. She is a lifetime member of Best Female Entrepreneur Union in Association of Lady Entrepreneurs of Andhra Pradesh. It is a state committee but is a national association. She is a person who always strives for the development, not her self-development but the development of her division, her locality, her place, her state and her country. Common problem in rural areas, government schools, colleges and hospitals are lack of sanitation facilities. She rectified it by constructing sanitary rooms in many public places. A large ratio of people strive hard to drink clean and safe water, which is a basic necessity. Roja Rani made it easy for the people by providing drinking water facility with RO system in the government hospital at Dharani Kota. This benefited 12 more villages around Dharani Kota. We differ government schools and private schools with our looks. The tradition of underestimating are always being followed because the government schools don't have good infrastructure. Roja Rani provided furniture for government schools, colleges and raised the level of government no less than the private sector. In this modernized world, living a peaceful life is not that easy for many people. They struggle to fulfill their daily basic needs. She provided all the basic needs to the poor and to the old age homes. She became guardian for all the elderly citizens. Roja Rani also provided her wisdom by arranging a help desk in her office. She also made a team to monitor the work in her secretariat and also made sure that all the people in 37th Division have the good health conditions and receive the facilities provided by the government. This help desk facility and a team for supervising is something different from routine which made her unique. She is not only a well-wisher of people in the 37th Division Guntur but also became a family member of every home. She made things easier for all the people of her division. She always obeys and follows her seniors and elders of the party in making decisions regarding division level development. She aims to make her 37th division as a modern division and moving forward accordingly to reach her destination. She always preferred women's welfare and empowerment for a better tomorrow. Development of the country happens automatically if all women in the country develop with same motto. Roja Rani gave preference to the development of all the women in her division. Her political life started with a victory. She took part in mayor elections and became a corporator of 37th Division, Guntur. She got all the support and blessing from the people of her division as well as her well-wishers, dignitaries and senior members of the party. She succeeded in fulfilling the people's needs and in return she won their hearts. Not only developing the division but also taking care of the people in the division is important. Roja Rani served the people of 37th Division for more than 60 days in COVID-19 pandemic situation. For poor and middle class families, it became so hard to run the family and they are not ready to seek help. For such families, Roja Rani gave her helping hand by distributing large number of eatables and basic goods. She served food for more than 10,000 people, provided goods for more than 2,000 people. Roja Rani also took initiative to perform bike rally for 50% reservation of women. Roja Rani always envisioned a women-empowered society and took many initiatives regarding the same. She worked with great dedication and determination for best society. Irrespective of caste, region and religion, Roja Rani always served Division 37 with great enthusiasm, sincerity and honesty. Roja Rani also took care of orphanages and old age homes. She also made free corona test facility for all the people of 37th Division. And after all these service-oriented activities, she successfully inaugurated her personal office in Lakshmipuram, which is really big and has all the facilities. She is shining high and bright like a diamond with her beautiful heart. Roja Rani is a leader who walked alongside public, serving them, always thinking about what is the best she can give back to her society. She has continuously conducted many welfare programs through the suggestions and help she got from her fellow members. She perfectly balanced her social and business work life. Such traits are of a leader with a dream to see everyone prosper and ultimately see the nation prospering. She is a real leader and also stood an inspiring personality for many women and service enthusiasts. Our country needs more and more leaders like her to realize the dream of our many national leaders who shed their blood, sweat and tears to bring where India is today. Her office is easily reachable for all people. Roja Rani is no less than a political leader who proved herself with her services to her people. She entered politics for the people, by the people and served a lot to the people. She stamped her presence in all the families of 37th Division in Lakshmipuram. Roja Rani fulfilled all her roles, in fact, beyond her responsibilities. She is a successful daughter of her parents, a successful professor for a period of time, a successful software engineer both nationally and internationally, a successful entrepreneur and successful politician, and more importantly, a very successful citizen of India. So guys, this was our second episode. Hope you have felt so inspiring and in the next episode we will be having Miss Roja Rani herself to give keynotes of her journey and valuable piece of her advice to all of us. And next episode, we will be starting the series Political Talks with Roja Rani, and we will get the piece of advice and inspiring stories about Roja Rani ma'am's life directly from her. Stay tuned to K-Pod. Thanks for listening.